In this video, I'll show you how to turn off likes and comments on your Facebook profile picture to limit interactions on that photo. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, tap your profile picture again to open it fully. Now tap the three dots in the top corner of the photo to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap Edit Privacy. Here you can change who is allowed to see and interact with the photo. To reduce likes and comments, select Only Me if you want the photo to be visible only to you. If you still want your friends to see it but limit interactions, choose Friends instead of Public. After selecting your preferred audience, tap Done to save the changes. You can also scroll down to the comment section of the photo, tap the three dots next to any comment, and choose Turn Off Commenting if the option appears. Once these changes are applied, fewer people will be able to like or comment on your profile picture. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.